Hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural. Today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing clarifying shampoo that will not strip your hair. It's going to cleanse your hair really well and even add moisture to it. And with that, we're going to be using fractionated coconut oil. So let's get started. So you're going to need fractionated coconut oil, but you're also going to need African Black Soap. This is 100% African Black Soap, and you're gonna take half of this. So half of this African Black Soap, I want to say it's about 2.5 ounces. So for this measurement, you get 2.5 ounces of black African soap. African soap is a little bit thick in the consistency, so you want to break it up, and you can also grate it up, and because I'm going to be dissolving this, right? So African Black Soap is really good in cleansing your hair. It also helps with detoxifying your hair. So what I'm doing is I'm adding in some hot water. Now this hot water is going to be used to melt the African Black Soap. I let it melt for a couple of hours, and then I'm going to strain it. You want to strain this liquid black soap, because if you don't strain it, there might be some particles left over that can end up in your hair, right? You see that? We don't want that in our hair. So after you strain it, you're going to put it into your bottle. Now this amount of African Black Soap makes about 8 ounces, and usually 8 ounces is good for me and my daughters for a month's use. So I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil. I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of pure honey. Honey is an emollient and also an humectant. It adds moisture into your hair. It helps condition your hair, keeps it shiny, helps your scalp. So many good things. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil for moisture and preservation. And this is a great oil if you want to add more moisture to a shampoo. So we know shampoos can be stripping, but by adding different oils like this, it will help. I'm adding in pure peppermint essential oil. About 5 drops will do. So if you're gonna make more than 8 ounces of this, you just double the size, right? Give it a good shake. Now peppermint oil is great for dandruff, flakes, also helping with the scalp health. So this is what it looks like. I'll show you when I apply to my hand. It is very liquidy, so if you want it to be more thicker, you can add like guar gum. So this is my daughter, and she just got out of doing a protective style for 3 weeks. So she had box braids in her hair, which she did by herself. And you can check her channel, Just Daniela, to see how she did box braids by herself. So I'm going to just apply this first to the scalp. Now this black soap is liquidy, so just be careful, don't let it get into the eye. A little bit goes a long way. I'm showing you that I'm applying a lot just to show you that a little bit goes a long way. If you apply too much, it gets really soapy, so you do want to apply just a little bit and then work it through the hair. So as you can see, I'm working it first to the scalp. I'm massaging the scalp really well and then running it through the hair. Now let me explain some things to you as I wash my daughter's hair. The ingredients I choose when I'm making my DIY are very simple ingredients that you can find in your local stores, and you can use it in different ways. So you notice I used African Black Soap. If you don't have African Black Soap, you can use Castile soap instead. Now, if you don't have vitamin E soap, you can skip it. If you don't have fractionated coconut oil, you can use extra virgin olive oil. But the key thing is this: I want to use fractionated coconut oil because fractionated coconut oil will not solidify when you keep in the fridge or when you're in a colder temperature. So that is why it's important when you make shampoos and things, liquid hair products, it will not solidify. You want to use fractionated coconut oil. Now I'm going to show you, if you want to preserve your coconut shampoo, I'm going to show you how to preserve it, so keep on watching. As you can see, our hair, you see all that dirt coming out? Yeah, so all that dirt comes out and the shampoo is working so great. I'm going to show you what our scalp looks like after using this shampoo. This shampoo is amazing. If you have scalp condition like eczema, this shampoo is very, very good for it. So you all should make it, okay? But let me also explain why I added honey. So you can skip the honey. You don't have to add honey. But I added honey because honey also helps in promoting hair growth. Honey is very rich in antioxidants, which helps prevent hair damage, scalp damage, and keeps the hair healthy. So this is how I store my coconut shampoo. And you can see 12 hours later in the fridge, cold fridge, it is still liquid. Okay, that is why you use fractionated coconut oil. So let's see my daughter's scalp. So after washing her hair, you see her hair looks nice and shiny. It feels so soft. And I'm going to show you what her scalp looks like. Remember, she has not washed her hair in over 3 weeks. Okay, so this is what her scalp looks like. Her scalp is very, very clean, no residue left over. And I didn't even have to detangle her hair before I started using the shampoo. The shampoo also detangles really, really well. You see that? Yeah. So we're gonna look at the back of her hair where she adds like products to the back just to smoothen the naps or napes area. But you can see it's also clean. So I do want you guys to give this shampoo a try. If you have other recipes of shampoos you've made, feel free to say in the comment area. And this is a shampoo, very liquefied. She loves it. Yes, she does. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching, and we hope you can see you in the next video. Please don't forget to watch these other videos, and please subscribe, like, and share. Take care. Bye.